In this video, you're going to learn how to create a simple playlist to improve your visibility and your watch hours. And also, you're going to also learn how to delete a playlist. Possibly you created a playlist and you don't want to have this playlist anymore in your YouTube studio and you want to delete it. I'm going to show you how to do all of this and make your page more organized without having to scatter your videos all around. This is going to help your viewers to stay on your page and watch all the videos in that playlist. And of course, it's going to improve your visibility, of course, your watch hours. If you found this video helpful and useful, and you learn one or two, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the main video proper. Head over to your Chrome browser in your mobile phone, click on it. It will take you into the typing version where you're going to type in studio.youtube.com. Remember, this is not the YouTube Studio mobile. This is your desktop YouTube Studio. So log in, click on that login, okay, and enter into the YouTube Studio dashboard. This is going to be your dashboard. Like I said, it's not your YouTube Studio app, but the desktop version. So don't forget that part. Then once you enter into your dashboard, zoom in, just like what you're seeing here, go over the top button. You're going to see the option create. Go ahead and select that new playlist, and something like this is going to pop on for you to type in the name. Remember to always key in the word that is easily recognizable and relatable to your viewers. So in this video, I'm going to use this name for the purpose of this video. So remember to always have searchable name in your mind while typing and well organized, so that your viewers will not be found wanting. Okay, so I will use this name for the purpose of these tutorials, YouTube Studio for beginners. And once you're done, you're going to scroll down, you're going to see add videos. Once you're done with the adding of videos, you see create, and that is it. So go ahead and add videos to your playlist. The video is peculiar to this playlist. Okay, then once you click on that ad, it will take you to where you have your videos. It will take you here and you select all the video that is applicable to this playlist and add it. Boom, it's done. And you've already created it. And then this is how you're going to delete a playlist. Go over to your YouTube mobile app and enter into your playlist. You see view all playlist. You're going to scroll down. You're going to see something like you can as well create a playlist from here. If you scroll down, you're going to see create a new playlist. So you can create a new playlist from here if you want to use the YouTube mobile app. So here I want to show you how to delete a playlist after creating a new playlist. Maybe you don't want it anymore. So still on here, you select the three dots that you see there and then choose the delete option and off. Boom, is gone. You can create your playlist. Wasn't that simple? Good. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Then don't forget to also turn on the post notification and check out other of my amazing videos, learn one or two from this channel.